Now, live from KUSI, this is Good Business San Diego. Sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management. Hi, I'm Roy Robertson. Welcome to Good Business San Diego, where we proudly present local leaders who have built their businesses with innovation, commitment to the community, and excellence in customer service. The following portion of Good Business San Diego is sponsored by Semper Solaris, and today we welcome back Kelly Shawhan, one of the founders and owners of Semper Solaris. And as you know, they are a top provider of solar power and battery storage, also roofing, heating, and air conditioning services. Kelly is here to talk about how this veteran-owned company has become so successful, as well as their ongoing support to fellow veterans and to their families. We'll talk about that, the Semper Cares initiative, in just a second. Kelly, tell me a little bit about your service. I see you're proudly wearing the USMC hat.
Hardcore Marine Corps right here.
There you go.
United States Marine Corps. I was active duty in the 70s and 80s. Got called up for the first Gulf War in the 90s, but it ended so fast we didn't get off the tarmac. We just had our bags packed and inspected, and then it became a contractor.
Yeah, then you moved into solar.
Yeah, we did after a fashion. I ended up getting into, I was in pools, and then I got into solar.
Okay. But it's expanded so much beyond that. I mean, really all of the different home services that you provide now. Talk about the growth of the business.
Yeah, you know, we started with solar a long time ago, about 13 years ago. And when you're doing solar, a lot of times you got to do the roof at the same time. So added roofing. HVAC seemed to be, you know, let's take that electric bill down as low as we can and get a new HVAC system. It saves you so much money because the new systems are just so much more energy efficient. Right. So that worked. And then batteries came along. And as of the last telling, we were the largest battery and solar installer in the country.
And that's really kind of become a game changer for the consumer. Real tipping point with battery storage and how it is that you're able to use it, right?
No questions whatsoever. Batteries are more complicated than any of those other businesses, but we've got it down. We've been doing it forever, and we take care of everything for you. Call us today, and we will handle you. We will get this stuff in quickly and efficiently like Marines do.
So absolutely. One of the reasons to turn to Semper Solaris.
Exactly.
Yeah, and your experience means an awful lot within the community. Talk about your team, your installers, who's on the job.
You know, we hire as many veterans as we can. There aren't enough veteran electricians to hire all veterans, but we hire as many as we can in any service, and so that's one way we give back. Also, we have something we call Semper Cares, where we give back, and a few times a year we do a free system for a deserving vet. We recently did one with the Warrior Foundation at Freedom Station 3, where we did a bunch of roofs, and we had and I think that's on the screen as well, where we helped all these veterans out that are having some trouble as they acclimate back into the civilian world, and this place helps them to do that. And we do that a few times a year, and it's just a great thing that we have a lot of fun with. It
is a great program, largely because of the cost in San Diego. I know for electricity for a lot of these veterans trying to make ends meet, and so you're able to step in and help them out.
Without a doubt, we have the highest electricity rates going, and they're only getting higher and higher and higher and higher, and the utility's making more and more money. Don't let them. Put a battery in, put some solar on that roof. Move forward. Get away.
More information online, sempersolaris.com. And the preceding portion of Good Business San Diego was sponsored by Semper Solaris, and we'll be right back.